Hello everyone, I'm Harshla Ghat, Assistant Professor from St. Xavier's College, Mapsa, Goa. Today I'm going to present before you Unit Organic Farming, module name Problems Associated with Presence of Heavy Metals and Pathogens in Biocompost. Giving you all the outline of this module. In this module, I will be presenting the overview of the occurrence of heavy metals and pathogens in compost through various sources, and I'm going to discuss the problems associated with presence of heavy metals and pathogens in biocompost. Learning outcomes. Through this module, you all will learn to identify the various sources of heavy metals and pathogens and also understand the problems associated with presence of heavy metals and pathogens on composting process. Coming to the introduction of this module, before I proceed with the effects of heavy metals and pathogen on biocompost, I will like to introduce to you all the term biocompost. Biocompost is a nutrient-rich biofertilizer obtained from decomposition of biodegradable organic waste by the action of earthworms and microbes such as bacteria and fungi. Composting is a waste-to-energy conversion technique widely used for degradation of biological volatile solid fraction from solid waste. Among the various methods available for sanitizing and stabilizing biosolids, composting is one of the reliable biological methods to assure pathogen destruction and organic matter stabilization. Coming to the sources of heavy metals and pathogen in biocompost. If you look at the world scenario, humans are responsible for increased level of the environmental contamination by adding heavy metals and pathogenic microorganisms which are associated with products and waste from industrial processes and agricultural and household activities. Apart from that, the raw material utilized for compost production comprises of heterogeneous mixture of different elements and material which occur in the raw material due to lack of proper source segregation. The sources of heavy metals and pathogen in compost. There are various sources through which the heavy metals and pathogen find their way in the biocompost. Heavy metals are metallic chemical elements that has high density, atomic weight or atomic number and is toxic or poisonous at low concentration. For example, lead, zinc, arsenic are some of the heavy metals which are known to cause health hazards. Heavy metals are released into the environment by both natural and anthropogenic sources such as industrial discharge, automobiles exhaust and mining. Heavy metals are non-biodegradable and have tendency to accumulate in living organisms. Heavy metals are often found in this heterogeneous mixture of waste obtained from food, automobiles, electronic gadgets, industrial processes, etc. Contamination by pathogenic microorganisms such as Escherichia, E. coli and Salmonella, which are some of the pathogenic organisms which occur most frequently in biocompost through various biological feedstocks which are used in composting. Secondary pathogens and their toxin, examples spores and endotoxins, generated by bacterial and fungal growth within the composting process may be present in unfinished compost. The major source of heavy metals and pathogens which find a way into the biocompost is the usage of sewage sludge. The worldwide increase in sewage sludge production from wastewater treatment plant is causing an environmental concern. For economic reasons, the direct land application of sewage sludge is becoming a general practice in some industrial countries. Addition of sludges and compost to soil may benefit the soil microflora, but it can also result in detrimental side effects on the soil environment because of the presence of sludge-borne xenobiotic compounds. In this slide, you all can see the image. On the left-hand side, the image shows the sewage treatment plant, whereas on the right-hand side of the slide, you all can see the sewage which is excavated from such sewage treatment plant which are directly applied into the fields as soil conditioners. Heavy metals can accumulate in the soil due to application of sewage sludge to the cultivable lands. Pathogenic microorganisms can contaminate agricultural soil mainly through the addition of improper or improperly sanitized organic waste and sludge used as soil conditioners. Microbial contamination in soil can increase significantly if disposal of sewage sludge is done in an improper manner. Coming to the problems associated with presence of pathogens and heavy metals on composting process. Presence of heavy metals affect the composting process in different stages and present in it even during its later application on soil. Composting is considered as an effective treatment to inhibit the pathogenic organisms and stabilize the organic material in sewage sludge. But the total heavy metal content in it becomes a problem in the composting process. Microorganisms are key to organic matter degradation in composting process, but heavy metals affect the composting process by changing the morphology and physical parameters of microorganism. For example, we have lead, which is reported through studies that lead at different concentrations inhibit the carboxymethyl cellulase enzyme activities involved in degradation of lignocellulosic waste, which is mostly obtained from green waste. The richness and diversity in bacterial community were reduced under excess lead concentration during agricultural waste composting. Zinc has decreased the rate of carbon compounds humification in the maize plant composting process. In swine manure composting, chromium affects the activity of the key microbial enzymes such as cellulase, urease, and dehydrogenase by inhibiting their activity in the early stage of composting. Copper affects urease and dehydrogenase enzyme activities during swine manure composting. Hence, copper at high concentration in feedstock is not suggestible during swine manure composting. Coming to the problems associated with presence of pathogen and heavy metals on composting process. Ammonia oxidation in dairy cattle composting was affected due to addition of copper. It happens as copper changes the structure and diversity of ammonia oxidizing archaea and ammonia oxidizing bacteria. Problems associated with presence of pathogens and heavy metal in biocompost. Due to the shortage of organic matter in most agricultural soils, farmers may be encouraged to utilize the recycled organic residues. This results in chemical and biological contaminants reaching the agricultural soil and causes serious problems to the soil biotic components and living organisms. Heavy metal concentration in solid waste and compost are exceeding the limits and creating problems with their bioavailability to plants, which inhibits soil enzyme activities during land applications. Presence of heavy metals and pathogen in biocompost can cause health hazards to the farmers and farm workers working in such contaminated soil. Heavy metals can enter food chain and cause major damage to the ecosystem. In order to avoid all this, right methods of segregation and sanitization of solid waste during composting process has to be implemented to prevent entry of pathogens and accumulation of heavy metals in agricultural land and environment. These are some of the references which I have referred to prepare the content of this modules. Thank you.